Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy A54, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. So your device has a built-in feature to record calls, but if you live in European countries or your smartphone is for Europe or for US, your device has this feature by default. This feature is blocked because the laws of European Union and other other countries prevents to record calls by default. If you have this feature, you can open call settings, and here under the voicemail you will have the call recording feature. But if you have now, as me, so just open the Play Store and find here Cube ACR. Find this application. Of course, you can use any other automatically call recorder app, but you can use this application completely for free. And because of this, I suggest to try this app first. So click while using the app, allow, enable app connector. Here you need to scroll down, find your installed apps, find your CubeACR app connector, click off, so in the sense on, click allow, then click allow, scroll down, okay, go it, allow again, no thanks, okay, go it. As you can see here, we can pay for Prime, but Prime gets only cloud backup, app lock spin, instant post-call actions, and no ads and more. So there are useless features. Maybe cloud backup is a good feature, but I don't know why. Why we need to backup it in CubeACR cloud if we can backup it to Google Cloud or to OneDrive cloud using normal exports in future. And great, now all your calls will be automatically recorded, but your device will use your microphone to record calls, and in this way you will need to install root access or just use speaker mode, so external speaker mode, when calling with your communication partner. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.